So if curious ka about virtual assistant and you want a free training, you must listen to this. I'm gonna speak three things lang. If you want to learn from people na nag-start from nothing, nag-start from scratch, walang idea about VA agency, and then naging successful virtual assistant, build their own agency, and grow it, you should attend this free training tonight. If you want to learn how to present yourself to your clients, how to show your value, if you want to share your expertise kasi alam mong meron kang maibibigay and may tutulong ka sa kanila, you should listen. And if you think na it's time na mapakita mo yung value mo, you just need to join this free live training. So, if you're interested for this live training, you just need to register sa link na ilalagay ko sa comment section. Yun lang. Have a great day.